Hey, it's Tampa Pete. I'm back at my favorite place right here. Gonna load up on some lottery tickets. Today's the last day. Big hurricane tomorrow, and I'm at my favorite location. And I think I might get a Stella. Or a Bud Light. Looks like he's getting stocked up at Paps. Lots of water here. Look at that, all that water. Wow. Everybody's happy at Paps. I know a lot of stress out there. We're all gonna get through this. And I'm gonna get some money.
I do not. You need Gibson's.
Which one do you want?
It's coffee and 6.
I only have 4 and 8.
Say that again?
I only have.
It's Tuesday, tomorrow's a hurricane. Everybody's buying water, I'm buying lotto. I'm gonna win the lottery on the day before the hurricane, right when my house gets blown away. No limit on water at Paps. Ugh. Just look down there. All right, look at Paps. Paps got lots of water. I gotta count my lotto. One of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I got it all. This is for tonight's draw, or tomorrow's live feed. I'll do this tomorrow for a hurricane. So if you need water, come to Paps. Paps has everything. They got plenty of beer. Wow, look at the beer's a little Willie. Had plenty of beer. All right, look at that, all that water right there. Look at that water. Everybody come get some water. And some lotto. I got plenty of water. Paps is the place to be. Whoops. Anyway, there's a mad rush of the hurricane. And anyway, Tampa Pete is at Paps. Loading up. Look at the beautiful American flag up there. Look at that beautiful American flag. Get the Bud truck, the Stella truck, and a lotto man. Yeah. One of my followers, I hope. And everybody's gonna be happy. This is the happy day, huh? Look at that. Oh, I got the wrong light, but anyway. Well, this is the place to be right here. This freaking hurricane. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to this at all. There is gas, I heard, down in Lake Nona that way. There's gas down that way if you need gas. Stocked up and ready to go. Narcoossee and Jones Road. I got this for a live show when everything shuts down. Hopefully tomorrow, 1 o'clock. Gonna try to go live on YouTube and with a few tickets. I got a bunch of pick threes. I'm gonna wait till this afternoon Hopefully I'll get another 500. And I think I'm gonna go try to find one more tank of gas for my generator. All right, Tampa Pete's out. Pete is out at Paps. And I don't have any alcohol in my house. It's like teasing me. Nope, no alcohol. Anyway, Tampa Pete's out.